Man stabbed to death at plaza in Ocho, Rios. Attacker on the run. 16-year-old boy among two charged for robbery of teen girl. One dead, two injured in fiery St. James crash. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A manhunt has been launched for a man who stabbed another during a dispute in Ocho Rios, St. Anne on Ash Wednesday. The deceased has been so far identified by his alias, Ocho. Preliminary reports are that sometime after 3 p.m., the two men had an altercation at a popular plaza in the resort town, during which a security guard attempted to intervene. The dispute, however, escalated into a fight in which both men brandished implements and Ocho was stabbed. The attacker subsequently fled the scene. The wounded man was transported to the hospital where he was pronounced dead. 16-year-old boy is among two persons charged by the police over the robbery of a teen girl along Mullines Road on Tuesday afternoon. The teen and his co-accused, 18-year-old Oleg Davis, was charged with robbery with aggravation. Reports from the Halfway Tree Police are that about 1 p.m., the teen was walking along the roadway when Davis and his accomplice attacked her. According to the police, she was grabbed by the two boys who held a ratchet knife at her throat and robbed her of $500. They escaped on foot in the area. They were later caught by residents and handed over to the police. Davis and his accomplice were charged after a question and answer session. Their court date is being finalized. A man has succumbed to injuries sustained during a motor vehicle crash on the Rosehall Main Road in St. James on Wednesday night. The collision, which took place near the Spot Valley intersection, involved a Toyota Corolla and a Nissan Wing Road. More details to come as the story unfolds.